नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. In the series of digital lectures, today we are going to discuss about Lippe's repertory part 2. Before starting this lecture, I would like to add that we are proud to be part of this best women's university in India, that is JVWU Jaipur. I welcome you all in repertory class on digital version 2.0 JVWU platform as per schedule provided by the university, having the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. Hope the lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. Please listen carefully and drop your queries in comment box in the YouTube channel, which I will answer in the problem solving session. So the important rubrics in Lippe's repertory which we are going to discuss today are as follows. First of all, in the chapter Mind and Disposition, the rubric abusive. Abusive, which is not found in so many repertories. The rubric acuteness, being busy of love. This is some different rubric than other repertories have got. Acuteness with physical debility. It is Moschkus. Alone when state of mind worse. Whenever the patient feels worse, he likes to be alone. The medicines are elapscorellinus, phosphorus, stramonium. Answer will not. Whatever being asked, the patient person is not answering. There are certain remedies which cover this rubric, which are Ambra, Arnica, Colocynth, Euphrasia, Acid Phos, Veratrum. Apathy, mental. Here the remedies are hyoscyamus, Acid Phos, Stramonium. Assumption of importance. उसको लगता है कि जैसे कि वह खुद बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. The medicines are cuprum, ferrum, hyoscyamus, lycopodium, stramonium, and veratrum. Feels as if repairing chairs. It is cuprum. Feels as if his chin is too long. The medicine is glonoine. Medicines for choleric temperament. It tells about choleric temperament also, that there is violent excitation and agitation of mind in anger, love, or in fulfillment of desire. So such persons are very aggressive types. The medicine for them are the main medicines: aurum, netramure, nux vomica, petroleum, and phosphorus. They are very aggressive type persons for fulfillment of desires. Then coldness of disposition. The medicines are platina, sabadilla, scilla. Conceals himself, खुद को छुपा के रखेगा. The medicines are arsenic, belladonna, cuprum, pulsatilla, stramonium, helleborus. Course of thinking slow, बहुत धीरे चलती है उसकी सोच. The medicines are China, Nux mosqueta, Rustox, sepia. Hatred of offenders, जो उसको तकलीफ पहुंचाते हैं उससे उसको बहुत ज्यादा नफरत हो जाती है. The medicines are anacardium, aurum, lacasis, Natramure, phosphorus, etc. Open-heartedness. The medicine is Bovista. You will not find this rubric anywhere. Open-heartedness. Positiveness of dispositions. Positiveness. The medicine are Causticum lachesis. Pusillanimous. The medicines are aconite, angostura, bradycarb, bryonia, pulsatilla. Relations ignorance of his. अपने जो रिश्ते हैं उनको इग्नोर करता है, निभाता नहीं है. The medicine is belladonna, hyoscyamus, mercurius and veratrum. So these were some examples of special rubrics in Lippia's repertory. Then in the section sensorium, you will find a rubric cloudiness, giddiness, vertigo. So this chapter contains rubrics on cloudiness with sub-rubrics like dizziness, confusion, indistinct mind, with sub-rubrics fatigue of the head by mental labor, with sub-rubrics stupefaction, with sub-rubrics stupor, with sub-rubrics vertigo, and so on. So the sensorium chapter mainly contains the rubric related to cloudiness, giddiness, and vertigo. It's a special chapter in this repertory. Then the head chapter, the chapter contains rubric related with pain in deep in head, that is in brain, over eyes, behind eyes, extending extending to nose, to occiput, one-sided, headache in the sides, forehead, temples, vertex, and the different types of pain like drawing, dull, bruised, etc. Then rubric like bending the head backwards, necessity to, पीछे सिर करना पड़ता है तो उससे राहत मिलती है, Kalium nitricum. Bubbling in the head like water, the medicine are Barbares, Pereira, sulfur. Daily headache. For daily headache, the medicines are belladonna, calcarea, lachesis, macab, natramure, nux omega, sulfur, etc. Headache every other day, हर एक दिन छोड़ के, umbra, wheesia. Diminution of brain sense of, ऐसा लगता है कि हेड के अंदर ब्रेन नहीं है. Gratiola. Sleeping too much as after, ऐसा फील होता है कि जैसे बहुत ज्यादा जब सो लेते हैं ऐसी फीलिंग आती है हेड में. It's Bovista and Thuja. Feels head as if too small, it's Coffea. Then in scalp, in this chapter, rubrics related to scalp like baldness, eruptions like boils, erysipelas, furuncles are given. Head ascending steps pain when, it's Helleborus. Head bent forward the head when there are complaints, it's Lachesis. Head bent forward when walking, the medicine is sulfur, that is stooped person. Circumference of the head great in children, which occurs in hydrocephalus. The medicine are calcarea and silesia. Daily pain in scalp, it is natrum carb. Small ulcers on scalp is ruta. Feeling as if scalp has become thin, it's belladonna. So in the chapter eye, certain rubrics are very important, like for infants, affections of the eye. You get aconite, belladonna, bryonia, calcarea, chamomilla, euphrasia, nux, pulsatilla, and sulfur as medicines. For conditions like lacrimal fistula, you have got medicines like acid fluor, nitric acid, silesia, etc. Feeling as if like a membrane drawn over the eyes. The medicines are causticum, daphne, pulsatilla, britannia. In the last part of the chapter, there are time rubrics. Like in the morning pain, the medicines are aconite, ammon carb, berberis, bryonia, magnesium sulf, sepia, natrum sulf, acid sulf. Pain when turning eyes or moving eyes, the medicines are aconite, arsenic, berberis, bryonia, china, hepar, nephritis, opium, ranunculus scleratus, prostox, sulfur, etc. So these are all the examples of the rubrics or the special rubrics in lipase repertory. So we end the lecture over here. At the end of lecture, I would like to give you an assignment which contains a subjective question. I will like to ask you, what special have you noted of the lipase repertory in above lecture? Please tell about the specialties of lipase repertory as you have observed in above chapter. Thanks a lot. See you again. Take care of your health. Till then, goodbye.